Hello, this is Blue on Blue Point Trading. It's the 30th of July, 2013, and the market is on the equities here. It's frustrating everybody, just flip-flopping back and forth here in a very tight range. But it's got this rounding bottom here, and looks like it wants to break higher here. But we got some news coming out this week, so I think it's waiting for that news to confirm whether it wants to break up. Right now it looks like it does want to break higher eventually here, so we're going to have to call the market sideways to slightly up today. Once again, with a few down pokes now and then. Bonds kind of returning to this downward trend that we had before after a little bit of a poke up, started to break up, and now it's starting to come down. Working this wedge and probably going to work this way to the downside pending some of the news coming out this week. So working the wedge to the downside here. On the Forex, I think the dollar strength is coming back, and Euro looks like it could be topping out here, so we're looking for a little bit of a sell-off today in the Euro. Let's see how much it can develop today. In the pound, same kind of story, rolling over here, maybe come down as low as 150, 250 here, maybe stay in a price box, but let's see what happens. On the yen, coming back in on the same old story here, so a little bit of sideways to slightly up today. And on the Swiss, watch out, it could reverse here as well. So we're looking for the Swiss CD to reverse up here a little bit. Let's see how far it can go. On the Aussie, slam down again. Boy, this Aussie is really in the doghouse. Down here on the support level, let's see if it's finished for the day in support, and then maybe from here on it might just trade sideways. On the CAD, was starting to break down, but it just can't quite do it. Watch out, it could come back up against you here, so we're going to call this a sideways today. On the commodities, gold wedging up higher, but be careful. There's a lot of negative stories out on gold. It could roll over. It is poking to the upside, but if it clears these lows here around the 13, what is that, 13, 15, 17 area, if it breaks those, it could get a leg down here. So I'm a little bit worried that because the dollar is gaining so much strength, it's kind of hard to see how gold can stay higher at this point. So watch out on the gold. On the oil, looking at 104 area is so strong. Every time it gets down there, it just bounces up 50 to 100 pips. Very frustrating trade for the trend traders. But eventually I think it's going to break and come down at least to the 102 area, 102.50. So let's see if we get that break today. But a break of the 104, it will come off hard because it's been holding there for so long. And as always, whatever you do, don't be panicking in the market.